What's going on, my little hackamaniacs? So today I'm going to bring you this software that I've come across after doing some exclusive researching on it. It's actually a company that does jailbreaking on iOS devices, like your Apple iPhones, your Apple TV boxes, any iOS device. It's a jailbreaking software for that. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a disclaimer out here telling you and anybody that's watching this or watches this that this is not to be used as malicious purposes, no illegal activity unless you have permission from the individual to do this on their phone or device. This is strictly for educational purposes only, just for people to learn and understand how all this works. So on that note, I'll go ahead and go forward with this. This company that I found right here is this software called Checkmate, and you can find them on Facebook, Twitter, and all that. I'll show you the little video. It's a minute-long video right here of it. See, the software version is a 13.22. He got into this phone. He has access to all the apps without entering the passcode or any of that. It's an activation lock bypass software. Okay, so after seeing that, we'll go back down, scroll back down through here. It tells you a little bit about their software. Now, this is an important step right here. The iOS jailbreak is required. So this video, I'm going to show you how you jailbreak your iOS device. It's through another piece of software. Like you see how this is Checkmate. All right, well, this other one is actually going to be Checkra1n, and I think I might have it saved in my, maybe I don't. It's spelled with a 1 where the I is supposed to be. Alright, so this is the, you go to Checkra1n. You got a jailbreak for iPhone 5S through iPhone X, iOS 12.3 and up. You can get the beta now, so it's pretty much all beta. So here's the Linux, and you got the instructions for installing on all Linux platforms right here. You got more releases. You can click on Mac, Linux, command line ARM, ARM64, the i486. So if you get it through this, you get to Linux. I'll show you how to install it if you're on a Kali Linux machine. So let's minimize this. So the first thing you want to do is open up your terminal, and you want to go and edit a configuration file that is, I use Vim, so I just do VI your sources dot list. Now it's going to show up because I've already installed it in this, but I'll just go through the steps. So what you want to do is once you get into this sources folder right here, this file, you'll add this. I just made a little note with the hashtag Checkra1n repo paste here. You want to paste it under this, your CLI. So you'll paste this command line under there. I'll give you a few seconds to see that. And once that is done, to get out of this, you hold down Shift and your semicolon, and then just hit Q to quit. You'll go right back to your terminal. So from there, you'll put that in. Now you want to add the Checkra1n public key to your Kali Linux operating system and update the system. So for that, I'll do apt tac key adv tac fetch tac keys https the website assets dot check .ii even archive and then .key. Alright, so once you get that typed in, you'll hit enter. You should get that message. Total numbers processed 1, unchanged 1, which I already have it built in. I went through this step, but like I said, I'm going through this again, so it gives you the key for it. So now what you want to do is do an apt update. And what it will do is it will go through and update your Kali, and then it will connect to the, you see right here, hit 2, it connected to the Checkra1n release, and it'll update what it needed to be updated. So once you get that done, you can clear that out just by typing clear. And then you'll do apt install Checkra1n with the 1. Make sure it's that 1 right there with the eyes and rain. Alright, so if you see it says Checkra1n is already the newest version. The following packages were automatically installed and no longer required. Use apt auto remove to remove them, blah blah blah. Okay, so once you get all that done, I'll just clear my screen again. Then all you need to do to run it is do Checkra1n and it will start. So now you get to the program menu right here for it, and it will tell you connect your iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad, or Apple TV to begin. It tells you who it was made by. You can go and check these people out. It tells you a little disclaimer down here, back up your stuff, use at your own risk. Gives you the website you can check in on just to read more about it. You have now using your arrow keys, you can select your options. And this is it right here. So you can allow untested iOS, iPad OS, or TV OS versions. You can do safe mode, Berber's boot, your boot arguments, which you can press enter to edit that and put your arguments in for that, or dark blockchain. Go back to back, and then you go over here and you hit quit. But that's it. That is how you will jailbreak your Apple device. Now I ain't gonna go through it and show you the whole thing, because frankly I haven't jailbroken any of my Apple devices yet. I am planning on doing an old iPad or an iPod of mine just to see how it works, but when I do, I will do a video of that. But I just wanted to bring this video out there to show you that there is a way to get in Apple devices, and it's not that hard by using this. I was actually introduced to this by a webinar I attended through the NW3C, which is the National White Collar Crime Institute. They were talking about it on there, doing a webinar and explaining a little bit about it. And I've done my research on it and just got it. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, you just once you get it installed, if I spell it right, just type Checkra1n and there you go. And you can hook your iPhone up to I'm pretty sure once you hook it up, you'll get more menu options from it. And you go through the process of it to jailbreak it. And then once you jailbreak it, you will go and use Checkmate to access the phone without a passkey. But yeah, so that's it. I hope this kind of informs you on this new device and new tools, softwares. I've been learning a little bit about all kinds of stuff. I'll be doing another video soon talking about proxies. I've been playing around with some proxy servers, doing some proxy chaining. That's what you want to do if you're trying to hide yourself on the internet. Make sure you use proxies. I'll get more into that on my next video. But until then, y'all have a good day. See you.